Hello viewers, welcome to Nanda Academies. This is Dr. S. Nandagopalan. In this video, I'll be explaining about how to execute a C bar C++ program on Visual Studio Code 2019. Right, so we will just see how to download this Visual Studio Code if you have not done already. Just go to your Google screen and then type in the keyword 2019. Yes, we get this. Click on this and you will see here Microsoft website, the Visual Studio 2022 is yet to be released. So come down, click on this free download community edition, which is a free open source version. So you can just download for your Windows machine, and then I've already done that. So I'll just switch on to this and let us open a new file here. Visual Studio Code 2019, you can execute C programs, C++ programs, Java, Python, anything. So I'll just name this as demo.c. So extension is very important. Based upon extension, the compiler will get automatically enabled. So those things are already done using extensions. So you should have already downloaded the corresponding compilers. Microsoft, you can click on this and then search here. So you can see here the code runner is available, C++, IntelliSense is available, etc. So this is how you first download your extension corresponding one. I have already done it. So we will just type in the program, include std h, and then a simple hello world program I'm going to demonstrate. So later on we'll see how to execute some other programs as well. Right. So we have successfully entered a very simple two-line program, printf hello world and return 0. So how to execute this? Now generally what happens is that before execution you need to make some settings. Otherwise, what happens? Every execution of your program, the output may go into the output window. I'll show you that. But actually, it should come on the terminal window. So, how to bring your execution sequence on the terminal window so that you can input your data in case if you have scanf statements, and how to display your results also in the same terminal. So let me just execute this. I have already done the settings, but I'll show you anyway. Now you can see here, hello world is displayed here. So there's no problem. Now, let me just show the settings, how these things, come into terminal and not to the output. See, supposing if you don't make that settings, all these things will come, the output will come to the output window, but input you'll not be able to enter. Why? Because this is only output. Whereas terminal, you can do both input as well as output. So what you do, you just click on file menu, then go to preferences, then go to settings. Now in this, go to yeah, your extensions, run code. You can see here run code configuration. So first file menu, then your preferences, then your settings. Under the settings, run code configuration. Now under this run code configuration, you can come down to yeah, this is the run code configuration settings. So just select carefully because you are having so many settings here. So yeah, you can see here run in terminal. So you carefully come down to this particular setting, run in terminal, and click on this checkbox. Whether to run code in integrated terminal. Yes. When you click on this, supposing if it is not checked, then all the output, input, everything will go to the output window only. So this setting, since I have already done, I can also demonstrate now inputting the value also. So let me just show you input first number. Okay. Let me say scanf percentage D ampersand A. This is my first. Next, I'll input the second one as well. So this is my second integer. So I'll call it as B. I'm going to add these two. So I'll just say or declare this int A, B, and C. So now I have inputted both A and B. Now I'll say C equals A plus B. I'm going to print the result. Added value is equal to percentage D slash N C. So return 0. So now I have two numbers which need to be inputted through the keyboard. I'm going to just add and print the added value, which is being held by another variable called C. So I have the print. So I have both input as well as output. So I'll just click on this. So now you can see here input first number. So I'll just say 23, input second number, say for 4. So 27 should be the result. Added value is 27. So the result is. Now if you have not made that setting in the file menu, then the preferences, and then go to the corresponding setting of run code configuration, then you'll not be able to get this program executed under terminal. So under VS Code, you can execute C same way you can also do C++ programs. Thanks for watching, and you can subscribe my channel. There are a lot of videos on C, C++, algorithms, database, data mining, big data analytics, etc. Thank you.